Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel, The Life Science Educator. Today we are going to discuss about another important topic, that is food chain. A food chain represents the sequence of organisms through which energy and nutrients flow within an ecosystem. Here in the food chain, the energy is transferred from one organism to the another organism. And the food chain consists of different levels known as trophic levels. Different trophic levels that are producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. Here you can see the producers, autotrophs. These are at the first trophic level. They capture the solar energy and convert it into food through photosynthesis. Example, plants. Next one is the primary consumers. These are the herbivores. They occupy the second trophic level and feed on producers, that is plants. And next is the secondary consumers. These organisms are at the third trophic level and they prey on herbivores. And the next one is the tertiary consumers. These are the large carnivores. These are present at the fourth trophic level and these are the top predators which consume the secondary consumers. Here you can see the organisms at different trophic levels in a food chain. The grass, which is a producer, eaten by primary consumer grasshopper, and the grasshopper is eaten by secondary consumer frog, and the frog is eaten by the tertiary consumer snake. Now let us discuss about the 10% law of energy transfer. The 10% law proposed by Raymond Linneman states that only 10% of the energy is transferred from one trophic level to the next, while the remaining 90% is lost as heat, respiration, and other biological processes. Green plants capture only about 1% of the solar energy and convert it into food. When primary consumers eat plants, most of the energy is lost as heat, digestion, or for growth and reproduction. Only 10% of the energy from plants is stored in their bodies and available for the next level. This pattern continues up the food chain, limiting the number of trophic levels in an ecosystem. Now let us discuss about the pyramids. Here you can see the trophic pyramid. A trophic pyramid is visually represents the decreasing energy levels as we move up the food chain. Here you can see the producers at first trophic level at the base and the primary consumers at the second trophic level, secondary consumers at the third trophic level, and tertiary consumers at the fourth trophic level. So why are there only 4 trophic levels? Energy loss at each level is significant, leaving very little usable energy beyond 4 levels. Food chains usually have only 3 to 4 levels since energy availability drastically reduces at higher energy levels. Beyond this, energy levels are too low to sustain additional trophic levels. I hope you have understood about food chain and the trophic levels. In the next video, we will discuss about food webs. Until then, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.